Good morning, dear students. This is your teacher Neela Mehlawat, and I hope you've understood the last lecture that you have attended. And there is absolutely no doubt. Even I'm expecting that you all are healthy and staying at home and maintaining social distance. Okay, everyone? Okay. So you better keep your books and notebooks ready. We will start with the chapter, that is chapter number 4, carbon and its compounds. So dear students, this is a lecture number 5. In the last lecture, we have talked about the functional groups. And now we know that we have to talk about the 7 functional groups. There are 7 functional groups that we have to, you can say, learn, and we have to talk about. The 2 groups that we've already done is the alkynes and the alkenes. These 2 functional groups we have already done. So alkenes have a suffix which is called -ene. Okay, alkenes have a suffix which is called -ene, and this -ene means double bond. Okay, this -ene means that there is a double bond between the carbon atom. Second is alkynes. Alkynes have a suffix which is called -ine, Y-N-E, and they have a triple bond between the carbon atom. So alkenes, they have double bond. Alkynes, they have triple bond. Okay, so we have already done about the alkenes and the alkynes. Now in this particular video, we will be talking about the haloalkanes and the alcohols. Okay, we will talk about the haloalkanes and the alcohols. Now this haloalkane, we can use it as a chloro or a bromo. So we can have chlorine atom, we can have the bromine atom. And in case of alcohol, we have a functional group which is called OH. Okay, we will understand in the next slides. Okay, halogen means the very active elements, that is chlorine and bromines. Halogens actually, they are referred to group number 17 of modern periodic table. Okay, the elements that belong to the group 17 of the modern periodic table, they are referred to as halogens. And they are basically the chlorine and bromine atoms. So we will be talking about the 2 atoms here, either chlorine or the bromine, right? If there is a chlorine, we will use the word chloro. If there is bromine, we will use the word bromo. ठीक है, अगर हमें हमारे पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड में क्लोरीन एटम प्रेजेंट है तो हम क्लोरो वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे, और अगर हमारा ब्रोमीन प्रेजेंट है तो वी विल यूज़ अ ब्रोमो. क्लियर? नाउ वी विल ऑल आवर ग्रुप्स, दे विल बी रिप्लेस इन हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. देखिए, हमें पता है हाइड्रोकार्बन्स वो कंपाउंड्स हैं जो कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से बने होते हैं. ओके, एंड वी हैव टू रिप्लेस द हाइड्रोजन एटम इन द हाइड्रोकार्बन्स. सो हमें हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिप्लेस करना है फंक्शनल ग्रुप से. ठीक है, सो let's study. We will discuss the replacement reactions. They all will take place in the alkanes only. जो हमारी alkanes की सीरीज़ है, ये उसी में रिप्लेस होंगे. सो देखिए, हमारी फर्स्ट एल्केन जो है वो है मीथेन. मीथेन का फॉर्मूला होता है CH4, राइट? द फॉर्मूला इज CH4 एंड द स्ट्रक्चर इज CHHHH, राइट? एंड वी हैव अ क्लोरीन एटम और द ब्रोमीन एटम. सो हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें से किसी भी एक हाइड्रोजन को, लेट्स सपोज दिस हाइड्रोजन एटम, इट शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड विद क्लोरीन एटम. हम जो है इसे क्लोरीन एटम से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. सो क्या स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा? C. Rest will remain same. This is H, this is H, this is H. But this H will be replaced by chlorine atom. So let's write it with different color so that you can clearly identify. So this is chlorine. So this chlorine atom has replaced hydrogen. Okay. Now earlier its name was methane. इसका नाम क्या था? Methane. अब इस वर्ड के सामने हम क्लोरो वर्ड लगा देंगे, इस कंपाउंड का नाम हो जाएगा. अच्छा, पहले विल राइट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड. ना लेट्स राइट द फॉर्मूला. इस कंपाउंड का नाम क्या, फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी CH3Cl. ओके, द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज CH3Cl एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज, हमने सिर्फ क्लोरो वर्ड ऐड करना है. सो द नेम इज क्लोरोमीथेन. ओके एवरीवन, द नेम इज क्लोरोमीथेन. सो हमने क्या किया, एक हाइड्रोजन एटम को क्लोरीन एटम से रिप्लेस कर दिया है. सो पहले ये मीथेन था, अब ये हो गया है क्लोरोमीथेन. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द क्लोरोमीथेन. क्लियर एवरीवन? हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? सो द नेम इज क्लोरोमीथेन. Let's talk about the second one. See, methane we have already done. Second is ethane. Ethane का फॉर्मूला होता है C2H6. Okay everyone? Ethane का फॉर्मूला होता है C2H6. So this is the structure of ethane. We have 2 carbon and the hydrogen. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें एक एटम को, let's suppose replace this hydrogen atom with chlorine atom. हमने इस हाइड्रोजन एटम को जो है क्लोरीन एटम से रिप्लेस करना है. ओके, वी विल रिप्लेस दिस एटम विद क्लोरीन एटम. हमने इस हाइड्रोजन एटम को क्लोरीन एटम से रिप्लेस करना है. सो नाउ वी विल हैव अ फॉर्मूला. देखिए फॉर्मूला हल्का सा चेंज हो जाएगा. CCH रेस्ट ऑल हाइड्रोजन एटम्स विल रिमेन सेम. H and we will have this chloro. Okay, so this hydrogen atom has been replaced by the chlorine atom. Okay, so one hydrogen atom had been replaced by the chlorine atom, right? And let's write the formula. देखिए यहाँ पर इस स्ट्रक्चर को देखिए, it is CH3, ये आपका CH3 है, and this will be your CH2 and one chlorine atom. So CH3 CH2 Cl. ठीक है, द फॉर्मूला इज CH3 CH2 Cl एंड वी विल ऐड द क्लोरो वर्ड इन द ईथेन. हम ईथेन वर्ड में क्लोरो वर्ड ऐड कर देंगे. सो नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज क्लोरोईथेन. ओके एवरीवन, द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज क्लोरोईथेन, राइट? लेट्स हैव द थर्ड वन. सो वी हैव डन मीथेन, वी हैव डन ईथेन. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रोपेन. प्रोपेन का फॉर्मूला होता है C3H8. ओके एवरीवन, द प्रोपेन का फॉर्मूला होता है C3H8 एंड ये इसका स्ट्रक्चर है. आई होप यू रिमेंबर हमने क्या करना है, इस हाइड्रोजन एटम को हमने किससे रिप्लेस करना है, क्लोरीन एटम से. सो क्या फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा, CCC. H रेस्ट ऑल थिंग्स विल रिमेन सेम. बाकी सारी चीज़ें सेम वैसी ही रहेंगी. लेट्स यूज डिफरेंट कलर. So this will be your chlorine. This will be same hydrogen, right? Now let's write the formula. इसका फर्स्ट फॉर्मूले का नाम क्या होगा, फॉर्मूला बनाते पहले इस कंपाउंड का. So formula will be CH3 CH2 CH2 and Cl. This will be the formula of this compound. And what is the name, dear students? क्लोरोप्रोपेन. हमने सिर्फ क्लोरो वर्ड ऐड करना है, क्लोरोप्रोपेन. ओके, द वर्ड विल बी क्लोरोप्रोपेन एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज क्लोरोप्रोपेन. लिखिए इसको हम थोड़ा सा बहुत अच्छे से लिखते हैं. लेट्स राइट इट प्रॉपरली सो दैट यू कैन सी इट. ओके, सो क्लोरीन एटम हैज रिप्लेस्ड हाइड्रोजन एटम. And earlier it was called as propane, now it will be called as chloropropane. So likewise you will do it with butane. So one this hydrogen atom will be replaced by chlorine atom. Okay, इसका एक hydrogen atom जो है वो chlorine atom से replace हो जाएगा and you will have a compound which is called chlorobutane. ठीक है dear students, is it okay? Right? Okay. So as I told you, you will have, in this case you will have chlorobutane. So same हम इस हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. दिस क्लोरीन हाइड्रोजन एटम will be replaced by the, let's rub it and then let's replace it. So this hydrogen atom will be replaced by chlorine atom. So we will have a formula C like this. Rest all will be hydrogen. बाकी सभी atoms हमारे हाइड्रोजन ही रहेंगे. Like this you will have this, only this hydrogen atom that we have highlighted in the diagram, it will be replaced by chlorine. Now what is the formula of this compound, dear students? You will write, this is your CH3, okay, this will be your CH2, this will be again your CH2, and this will be your CH2Cl. And what will be the name? It will be called as chlorobutane. We will call it as chlorobutane. Now instead of chloro, if we had used bromo, so we would have written bromobutane, bromopropane, bromomethane. Okay, I hope this is clear. So now we can say that we have 4 compounds. We can call it as chloromethane, chloroethane, chloropropane and chlorobutane. So likewise you can make up to 10 carbon atoms. You can have chloropentane, you can have chlorohexane, you can have chloroheptane, chlorooctane, chlorononane, chlorodecane. Okay, so whatever is the number of carbon atoms, whatever is the alkane, you can replace one hydrogen atom in alkane with chlorine atom. So that will result in the formation of chloroalkanes. Right everyone? These are all called as chloroalkanes. Okay, I hope you're clear. Hello everyone, are you clear with this? Okay, so I'm writing it again. So first we have chloropropane, chloromethane. Second we will have chloroethane. Third we will have chloropropane. Then we will have chlorobutane. And then we will have chloropentane. So we will replace one hydrogen atom. Everywhere we will replace this hydrogen atom with chlorine atom. So everywhere this will be replaced by the chlorine atom, and we will have the respective compounds will be called as chlorobutane, chloromethane, chloroethane, chloropropane, chlorobutane and chloropentane. And this chloro which is added will act as a functional group. Okay, and these all compounds they are referred to as halogens. Right, इन सबको हम इकट्ठा क्या कहते हैं? Halogens. Halogens belongs to the group 17 of your modern periodic table. Now coming to the next functional group, which is called alcohols. Okay, dear students. Now these are the organic compounds that contain one or more hydroxyl groups. Okay, these are the compounds that contain one or more hydroxyl groups. Right, and the general formula for this class of organic compounds consists of an R word. Okay, right, we can represent it as like ROH. This is the general formula. Okay, ROH. So general formula for alcohol is ROH. This OH is the functional group which is called the hydroxyl group. इसका जो functional group है ये OH होता है, right? And this the you can say the alcohols, they make hydrogen bonds between them, and that makes them soluble in water. So your all alcohols, they are soluble in water. You must have heard about different alcohols like ethanol, propanol, butanol. So they are all alcohols and they are soluble in water in all proportions. That means they dissolve in water. Their general formula is ROH, and they have a functional group which is called OH. Now let's again, I am talking about, so alcohols, to sum up, alcohols have a functional group OH, and they contains a word which is called OL. ठीक है, इनके नेमिंग में जो है, इनके वर्ड नाम के साथ OL वर्ड आता है. जैसे एल्केन्स में ANE आता है, एल्कीन्स में ENE होता है, अल्काइन्स में YNE. Same alcohols have OL. So every alcohol will have the OL in the last words of the alcohol will be OL. Right? Let's start this. So again we'll start with the alkanes. So first is methane, CH4, and this is the general formula. Again what will happen? This hydrogen OH will replace one of the hydrogen atoms. अगेन हमारा एक हाइड्रोजन एटम जो है इसकी जगह रिप्लेस हो जाएगा OH से. ओके, सो यू विल हैव दिस H H और यहाँ पर आपका रिप्लेसमेंट में आएगा OH. ठीक है. सो एक हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिप्लेस किया है OH से. सो वन हाइड्रोजन एटम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय OH. Now this becomes the alcohol. Okay, this is now called an alcohol, right? Now let's write its structure. So this will be named, you can say the structure will be CH3OH. हम इसे लिखेंगे CH3OH. ठीक है. अब देखिए OH इसमें फंक्शनल ग्रुप है तो इसको हम अल्कोहल कहेंगे. Now इसका नेम, let's name it. So see, it was called as methane. इसको हम, इसका नाम क्या था? मीथेन था. अब हमें इस E को हटाना है. This E has to be replaced with OL. E should be replaced with OL. So इस कंपाउंड का नाम हो जाएगा मीथेनल. हमने E को रिप्लेस करना है और OL लगाना है. So methanol, right? The name of this compound is methanol. I hope you understood. This compound will be called methanol. Okay? Methanol, right? Second, we will talk about ethane. Now again, let's look at the formula. It is C2H6. So this is the structure of ethane. Now here again, this hydrogen atom will be replaced with OH. इस हाइड्रोजन एटम को रिप्लेस करते हैं हम OH से. We'll write this here. So let this is there. Right? So we'll be writing in this same manner. Rest everything will remain same. The only difference is we will replace one H with OH. Okay, now we have replaced H with OH. So we will write the formula, that is CH3 CH2 OH. This will be formula of this compound and it has a functional group OH. So this is an alcohol. Okay dear students, this is an alcohol. Now again name, what will be the name of this compound? See, ethane के E हटाना है. E has to be replaced. Okay, this E has to be replaced with, हमने इस E को हटाना है और E की जगह OL लगाना है. So ethanol, 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 right? The name of this compound will be ethanol, right? What is the name of this compound? Ethanol. Let's take the third one, that is called propane. Formula is C3H8. This is a structure. Again आप इस H को replace कर दीजिए with OH. So let's write it. Right, we will write everything same, only that H has to be replaced with OH. Rest everything will remain same. Let's use a different color. So this is your OH. Now let's write down the formula. CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. And what was the name of this compound? इस एल्केन का नाम बताइए क्या था? Propane. Right? Name was propane. अब यहाँ से E को हटाइए और उसकी जगह OL लगाइए. So propanol. The name of this compound is propanol. Okay? The name of the compound is propanol. Now likewise in case of butane, we will replace this H with OH. हमें यहाँ पर भी इस H को हटाकर OH लगाना है. Rest everything will remain same. You will have all H here, except one H has to be replaced with OH. Rest everything will remain same. Let's use a different color. So you will have OH here. Now let's write down the formula. It is CH3 CH2 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 OH. अगेन E को हटाइए और OL लगा दीजिए. ब्यूटेन, यहाँ से E को हटाइए, रिप्लेस E. ओके, इसका जो E है यहाँ पर, रिप्लेस इट विद OL. So butanol, right? It should be written as butanol. Likewise, you can do it with pentane. This H has to be replaced with OH. इस लास्ट H को हटाइए और उसकी जगह पर OH लगा दीजिए, राइट. एंड यहाँ से E हटाइए पेंटेन में से और पेंटेनॉल, फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा पेंटेनॉल, राइट एवरीवन. ओके, सो I hope alcohols are clear to you. So we can convert alkanes to alcohols, okay, and we can also convert alkanes to chloroalkanes, okay everyone. So we have talked about the two functional groups today. One is the alcohols and second is halogens. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, so you will make both these tables in your notebook. Okay, आप ये complete table बनाएंगे अपनी notebook में, okay, with all formulas complete, right. We will have two tables, one is of halogen, one is of alcohol. So first of all, you will make notes of this topic. As I told you, you will make a proper table up to the 5 carbon atoms. ठीक है, पहले halogens का आप table बनाएंगे, फिर आप alcohols का table बनाएंगे, okay, up to 5 carbon atoms. Then you will read the page number 65 and 66. And dear students, if there is any doubt, anything that you feel, there is any query that you have, you can communicate with me, okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye everyone.